Good morning, Marion High School students. Mr. Rogers here, coming to you from my office. It is May the 4th, 2020. I just wanted to reach out and wish you guys the best of luck this week. I've been on here several times over the course of the last 5-6 weeks and talked about grades and DNF lists and all that. And I think many of you have a pretty good idea of where you're standing right now. If there's some work left to be done, definitely be talking to your teachers. New DNF list will come out this morning. Be checking your power school. You freshmen, sophomores, and juniors have a few more weeks of this before we end on May 21st. My focus this morning, I wanted to give a shout out to the seniors, class of 2020. This is their last week of high school. So seniors, best of luck to you in your finals. Best of luck to you this week. I wish you guys were here like we all do, but hopefully you've had a good spring, and I'm very confident that you're going to finish out this semester here, and going forward. We look forward to seeing you soon and wishing you the best of luck here come the end of the summer for our graduation. So seniors, best of luck this week. Whenever I talk to the teachers, about half of the teachers are going to be given a final, which is great. So make sure you're studying, make sure you're ending on a good note. The other half of the teachers decide to maybe do a last assignment, a last project, or are not giving finals, which I support that as well. So best of luck to you seniors. You've done well. I've greatly appreciated all that you've done over the course of the 4 years here at Marion High School, and then of course the past 2 years that I've been here. It's been an honor and a privilege to serve you guys. My next shout out is to everybody else. And so on May the 9th at 4 o'clock, we should have been over at the SAC celebrating the seniors of class of 2020, and we can't do that just yet. And so we have planned a celebration drive-by that's going to take place on the same time that our graduation was set a couple years ago. And so May 9th, this Saturday at 4 o'clock, all you freshmen, sophomores, and juniors, mainly sophomores and juniors that drive, your parents, community members, if anybody wants to join our celebration parade for our seniors, I have mapped a route here in town and then out at the lake that we would drive by all the seniors. The seniors have been told to be in their cap and gown, to be at home between 4 and 5 on Saturday. And so if you would like to join us, just plan to be at the SAC this Saturday at about 3:45, and we will line up. And I have the route. The first few cars will know the route and the map, and then so you just kind of follow along. Make some signs for the seniors. Make sure you're honking, yelling, screaming at them. They've done a great job here, and I know that they have represented themselves and their family in the community, in the town, in the school well over the course of the last 4 years. So plan to join us May the 9th at 4 o'clock. We'd love to see you there. So come on out and support our seniors. So that's about all I got this morning. Best of luck to you guys this week again with your studies. Make sure you're talking to your teachers, checking your emails, responding to things, turning some assignments in if you don't understand. Don't hesitate to ask your teacher, and then maybe set aside maybe some one-on-one time. But best of luck to you guys this week, and then I'll be in touch here in the coming days.